Hello, and welcome to this slow English listening for beginners. Today's topic is my favorite subjects. After the story, I will ask you some questions to check on your understanding. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just focus on the key information. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today, I want to tell you about my favorite subjects. When I was a student, I liked some subjects more than others. Some subjects were very interesting, and some were a little hard for me. Let me tell you which ones I liked the most and why. One of my favorite subjects was English. I always enjoyed learning new words and reading books in English. I loved reading stories and poems. My teacher was very nice and she helped me a lot. I liked writing short stories and practicing speaking English with my classmates. We also listened to songs in English and tried to understand the lyrics. This was very fun for me. I enjoyed speaking in English and learning about new cultures through language. I always looked forward to English class because it was exciting and different every day. Another subject I really liked was history. I loved learning about the past. My favorite part of history was learning about famous people and important events that happened long ago. I enjoyed reading about kings, queens, and big wars. My history teacher told many interesting stories about different countries. It was exciting to learn how the world changed over time and how history affects our lives today. History made me think a lot, and I always wanted to learn more. It was also fun to learn about ancient civilizations like Egyptians, Greeks, and Romans. They had amazing cultures and interesting stories. I also enjoyed art. In art class, I could be creative and use my imagination. I liked drawing pictures with pencils and coloring them with paints. Sometimes we made things with clay or other materials. I enjoyed painting beautiful landscapes and creating colorful images. Art class was a time when I could relax and express myself. I wasn't the best artist, but I always had fun creating new things. I loved the feeling of finishing artwork and showing it to my friends and teachers. Art made me happy because it was a creative and peaceful subject. Finally, I liked physical education, PE. PE was a class where I could be active and have fun. I enjoyed playing sports with my friends. We played football, basketball, and sometimes ran races. PE was also a good way to stay healthy. I liked being outside and moving around, and it was fun to compete with my classmates. Sometimes we also did exercise to make our bodies stronger. PE was a great way to relax after sitting in class for a long time. It made me feel good and gave me energy. So, these were some of my favorite subjects when I was at school. English, history, art, and PE were the classes I liked the most. Each of these subjects taught me something new and gave me joy. I think every student has subjects they enjoy, and I was lucky to have some that made me happy and excited. Learning was always fun for me, and I will always remember these subjects with a smile. Now, let's check on your understanding. Answer these questions. What were my favorite subjects at school? My favorite subjects at school were English, history, art, and PE. Why did I like English class? I liked English class because I liked learning new words, reading books, writing stories, and listening to songs in English. What did I enjoy about history class? I liked learning about the past, famous people, and important events. What did I do in art class? I liked drawing, painting, and sometimes making things with clay. What sports did I play in PE class? I played football, basketball, and sometimes running races. If you have answered correctly to all the questions, you have done a good job. Keep working and see you next time. Bye-bye.